morning. Uh, you might hear the neighbor's chickens in the background. If anybody here has ever butchered a chicken, you'll notice that they have certain characteristics, certain skeletal characteristics, certain anatomical characteristics, certain characteristics of the internal organs, certain characteristics that are rather similar to the characteristics found in theropod dinosaurs. And if one has looked rather more deeply, one discovers that these similarities run deeper and deeper and deeper, leading to the inescapable conclusion that there's definitely a connection between modern birds and theropod dinosaurs. And if we examine the fossil record, we actually find that birds emerge from theropod dinosaurs in the Jurassic Age. Yes, the velociraptor did, although the velociraptor was Cretaceous, it did in fact have Jurassic ancestors who were also part of the Raptorian family. And yes, the velociraptor was a lot smaller, the size of a chicken, a large chicken or a small turkey. So if you let's take a turkey, just an ordinary wild turkey, give it a long tail, stretch out the phygostyle, I think it's called. It's where all the vertebrae in the tail are crushed up into a little tiny stump. Stretch out that phygostyle into a full-length tail. Now take the beak and replace it with a toothy muzzle. And all you have to do to achieve this is to activate the genes for tooth production. And yes, you can have the chitinous beak and fill it with teeth, and it will work. And then you activate certain genes in the feet that cause two killing claws to sprout. And there you have a Raptorian dinosaur. You have a raptor. You have a very dangerous predator that can turn a schoolyard or a church picnic into carnage. You thought that emus were scary. Yeah, it's something to think about. It is literally a matter of 3 genetic switches that have been switched to a new position in birds that separate birds from theropod dinosaurs. 3, maybe 4 genetic switches. The genetic switch that allows the development of a tail has been switched off, leaving a phygostyle. The genetic switch for teeth has been switched off, leaving a toothless beak. The genetic switch for the killing claw in the feet has been switched off. The first birds had that claw. They had the claw. And then it went away because that genetic switch was turned off. So that's 3 genetic switches turned off. And that's it. That's all it is. And then there's the chitinous beak, a development from the scale, from the feathers, forming chitin. But dinosaurs already had chitinous beaks. This was already an established trait among dinosaurs, the chitinous beak. So there was nothing novel about it. It was just an old characteristic that was revived. One genetic switch that had been turned off since the Triassic was switched back on in the Jurassic to form the beak. That's 4 genetic switches. 3 of them turned off, 1 turned back on. And you have a bird.